Hello everybody, and happy to my 4th day of 12 days of gifting. So today, what I'm going to be covering is I'm going to show you a newbie. So every day I've been showing you different things that you can give as gifts this season. So I do offer gift wrapping, so if you want these things wrapped, you just have to let me know. Otherwise, you can get the products and wrap them yourself and give them as gifts. But so far, I have done 3 days, so let me recap real quick. On day 1, it was the pink clay mask. This is great for literally anybody who has skin, especially any women in your life. It's great for dry skin, oily skin, combo skin. The pink clay mask is so gentle that it just pulls all the oil out, and it does a really nice job evening out your skin tone as well. So first day was the pink clay mask. Those are $18 a piece. And then the second day, I showed you these beautiful liquid eyeshadows. They're so easy to use. They are we come in 4 different colors. They're $14 each, and they're so easy to use. So if you're like, I want to do makeup, I know my niece or I know my sister, I know my friend, they like makeup, but they're not super confident with it, or even if they are super confident with it, these are a perfect gift for the glam girl in your life, right? Okay, and then yesterday was day 3. And on day 3, I showed you this cute bag, the cute travel bag. And this is $16. It's a great add-on because you can stick things right in it. So then you don't even have to wrap it. I mean, that makes it so easy. Isn't that adorable? So out of our first 3 days, which one were you the most excited about so far? Did you like the bag? Did you like the pink clay mask? Or did you like the liquid shadows? And then I'm going to actually tell you all about day 4. So day 4 is Serum C and E. So here is the serum right here. So Serum C and E is fantastic. It is a little bit more pricey. So this, I would say, would be a great gift for somebody in your life who maybe is your mom or your sister or your best friend, or maybe you do a gift exchange that's about $50. This is $58. Hi, Donna, all of it. Yes, I know. I hear you. I love it all too. This is $58, and it is Serum C and E. So it used to just be the Serum C, and then we packed in the E too, and oh my goodness, it is phenomenal. So oh, Jessica, all of it too, and the liquid eyeshadows. The liquid eyeshadows are fabulous. If you have not tried them, you've got to try them because they're so good. But the Serum C and E, this is my favorite serum that Mary Kay has. The reason is that the Serum C, so that's vitamin C. So it's packed, it's with as much vitamin C as they can actually fit in here. It has the highest amount of vitamin C that is actually, without a prescription, is able to be in a bottle. So it's awesome. Vitamin C helps with to reproduce your collagen. It helps to reduce wrinkles. It also helps to get rid of any dark spots. So if you have sunspots or aging spots, and it also helps with wrinkles. So vitamin C is incredibly important for your skin. I put this on every single morning, and I put it on, so I cleanse my face first, and then I put on my serum, and then I put on my day cream or moisturizer, whichever you use. You can use it at night too. I just like to use my retinol at night, so instead I use my Serum C in the morning. And then, so anyway, that's what the Serum C does, the vitamin C. But then they just recently relaunched it and put the E in there too. So the vitamin E is going to moisturize your skin. It's going to give it all those vitamins back to make sure that it's not going to dry out. It keeps it nice and moisturized. It keeps it, also it's going to help with aging. So no wrinkles, right? We want no wrinkles. So vitamin serum, vitamin C and E are phenomenal. And this serum has them both in there. So if you look at the side too, this is my favorite feature. See over here, you can tell I have that much left right there. And it actually tells me it will last me 1 more week. So you can see, you probably can't read this very well, but you can see right here, it lasts for 6 weeks total, and that's if you use it every morning and every night. So I only use this in the mornings, so this bottle is actually going to last me for 12 weeks. So for 3 months, $58. I know at first you're like, $58 is not a very big bottle, but it lasts a long time, and it does amazing things. And I thought I had brought in here my rose quartz roller because I was going to show you. the roller that goes with it. Right now, when you buy this, you actually get a free roller. But of course, the one time I clean my desk is the one time that I need something off of it. So I'm going to show you this one because it's sitting here right now, but it's pink. The one that you get for free when you purchase the Serum C right now is pink. But I'll just show you this one just because I just want to show you what I'm talking about. So it's a roller like this, and it's pink. It's rose quartz. So it feels really cool. You just rub it across your face. So I like to apply the serum first, and then after I apply the serum, I rub this all over my face, and it helps to reduce tension in your face. It helps to reduce puffiness in your face. It also helps with wrinkles. So it helps with the circulation so much. So anyway, right now, when you buy this, you automatically get a rose quartz roller for free. So, and that's on top of my $50 like deal for you. So throughout all of these, if you spend $50 with me through December 1st through the 12th, because the 12th is the last day that I'm doing these 12 days of gifting videos. So the 12th will be the last day I come live to you. But every day in between, I'm doing a live video showing you just different gifting options that you can give your friends, your family, your coworkers, the mail lady. We have different price points. We have it all the way from $14 to $75. And anyway, so right now when you buy a Serum C or the lifting serum, so if you love the lifting serum, it also works for that. The lifting serum is our most powerful serum. If you want more information on that, just let me know and I can definitely send you some more. But either of those right now, you are getting the rose quartz roller for free. And it won't last forever. It's been out for a couple of weeks, so make sure you grab them now. But I love the rose quartz roller. It's awesome, and what a great gift. Then you get a serum and a rose quartz roller with it. So that makes such a fantastic gift. So I hope you guys like day 4. I'm excited to just keep doing these. I love the 12 days of gifting. Helping you pick out your Christmas presents and your holiday gifts is so much fun. So thank you for hanging out with me and participating with me. But like I said, if you spend $50 with me from the 1st to the 12th, then you also are going to get either a free palette, so a little petite palette, or you're going to get a free eyeshadow and you get to choose. So here's the palette, this cute little palette. A couple of you have already gotten your free palettes or you've gotten your free eyeshadows, but make sure that you place your order and you'll get to pick out either an eyeshadow or the palette. And then if you spend $100, you get to pick out 2 eyeshadows or 1 eyeshadow and a palette, or you can continue to build on it. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me on this Saturday. And I will be back sometime tomorrow to bring you your 5th deal of the week. Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.